Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be learning how to delete an Instagram account. So Instagram has a full page dedicated to people who want to delete their accounts, and they have several options here that you can read through about temporarily deactivating your Instagram account. That's an option. If you aren't sure if you want to permanently delete, you may want to just temporarily deactivate it, in which case you can click on this and scroll down and read through all of this information, and these links here will tell you how to actually temporarily deactivate. If you need to access your data on Instagram, again, this section would have that information. But for the purposes of this video today, we are going to be deleting an Instagram account. So it does come with a warning. It says that when you delete your account, your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes, and followers will be permanently removed. So again, it's warning you that if you are just interested in taking a break, there is the option to temporarily deactivate your account, which you may want to consider instead, because if you do come back with regrets, there's nothing that they can do. The account will be permanently deleted. Now, it does mention down here that it does give you 30 days of within your account deletion request when all of your information will be deleted. During those 30 days, the contents remain subject to Instagram's terms of use and privacy policy. And some more information here that it may take up to 90 days to complete the deletion process after it begins. So just be aware of these technicalities in place, that some of the information may still be accessible during this time period. So the steps on how to do it depend on what device you're on. They've got Instagram for your iPhone, for your mobile browser, and from a computer. We're doing this from a computer, so we'll click on that one. There is a page for deleting your account. We'll take a look at what that page looks like. Okay, perfectly, okay. So why do you want to delete? We can just say privacy concerns, and we do have to re-enter our password. And note here, it says if you continue, your profile and account details will be deleted on October 23rd. That's 1 month from today, 30 days from today. You won't be visible on Instagram between now and then. So as soon as I click on the delete, as soon as I enter my password and click delete, I am no longer going to be visible. If somebody searches me, my account will not be shown to them. However, if I change my mind, I can log back in before the deletion date and choose to keep my account. So I'm going to go through the full process here. I'm going to grab my password. All right, I've got my password entered there. I'm going to delete. Are you sure you want to delete your account? Okay. Your account will be deleted on October 23rd, 2022. So that's it. I'm already logged out, as you can see here. I'm already logged out. So if I do nothing, in 30 days, my account will be deleted. It's as simple as that. Just a matter of waiting. Nothing else for me to do here. Instagram is in the process of deleting my account, and if somebody searches me, it will no longer show up. If I refresh here, it's no longer showing me my profile. It's already deactivated and removed off of Instagram, so nobody else is able to search me. For the purposes of this demonstration, let's go ahead and recover the account so we can show that if I do change my mind in that 30-day period, that we can recover the account. All right, I've got my username and my password in there. Log in. Want to keep using this account? You requested to delete How to YouTuber. If you want to keep it, you have until October 23rd, 2022 to let us know. Otherwise, all of your posts and information will be deleted. So I'm going to click Keep Account. And we're back again. If we refresh, the account is back again. So it's that simple. You can go ahead and choose delete. If you do nothing within that 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. But if you do change your mind, you do have the option to go ahead within that 30-day period, re-log in and tell them that you want to you've changed your mind and you want to keep your account, and they'll be able to take care of that for you. So this is an easy demonstration. You can see how quick and easy it is to delete your Instagram account. I will have a link to the main page from Instagram in the description, so if you want to go ahead and get started on this process, just look for the link in the description. If you have any questions or have any trouble, just make sure you leave a comment below the video and I'll do my best to help out. Thank you and have a great day.